Hey everyone, welcome to Crafty Yarn Owl with Darla. I'm Darla. Yesterday I showed you a yarn from Ice Yarns, and I showed you I did a little swatch to show you how it works up and things like that. And so I'll link that video. I think it goes up here. No, it's up here. Anyway, I'll link it above. I'll also put in the description box and maybe at the end of the video as well if you want to see that one. I did a whole review on it and gave you pricing, broke down pricing and all that kind of thing in US dollars and in Canadian dollars. Okay, so I'm working on something you saw at the beginning of the video, and this is it here. Yes, I just started it yesterday after I had edited that video and put it up. So this is going to be an Afghan. I have a tutorial for this, which will be linked above, below, and at the end of the video. Okay, so this one, I'm making it much wider than I did in the tutorial one, but of course I give you the multiples, which is an even number, just an even number. So you can make it any size you want. So this one I am making much bigger with this beautiful yarn from Ice. And I love working with this yarn. I really do. This is the first time I've had this yarn. It's a chunky yarn. Don't normally like working with chunky yarn, but I like it. Even though at first I found that it kind of starts to unwind and, you know, pull apart a little bit. But as I was working this, it did that in some places, but mostly it didn't. So that was really a great thing. Like in that tutorial, in that video, I had said that, you know, I'd probably have to work a bigger swatch or work longer with it to see how it's going to work up. And so I've done this. I mean, like really. And this measures, I just measured it. This is 51 inches wide. And there's going to be a border on it as well. But yeah, so I'm on my fourth ball. Because there's 100 and... Uh-oh, I said it in the video yesterday. Oh, wait, I have my label right here. 100 grams, 120 meters, that I do tell you in yardage as well in that video. That's what's at each ball, and you get 4 in a pack. So I'm on my fourth ball for this, and this is how much it's made. Like I'm on the fourth ball, halfway through it maybe. And so I know I'm going to have enough because of the amount I bought. All right, definitely. I can't see why I wouldn't have enough. And then if, like, I'll probably have some left over to make something else beautiful. Yes. All right, so the yarn is 100% acrylic, and I'm using a 9mm hook. I'll also attach the video above and below and at the end of these this cover grip. That's a good name, grip, that I bought, and it works amazingly. Yes. So if you haven't watched those videos, you may be interested in those. I hope you are. All right, so I chained 120 for this one. So this is the back of it. Yeah, and then this is the front, and it's so easy. So easy. I mean, there's mainly single crochets. Let me show this again. There's mainly single crochets in here. And then there's double crochets, there's front post double crochets, and then these are half double crochets. These the fancy part of it. Let me see. I'll show you right at the end here. The fancy part of it here. These 2 rows, they're just half double crochets, and you just go down, you know, 3 rows down or whatever, and then go around the legs of these after. Yeah, it is so easy. Yes, I designed this myself. And I like to try to make my designs as easy as possible for you guys to follow. And this one, someone had commented that it's so incredibly easy and it's fun to make, and I'm so happy because that's what I wanted. I wanted it easy to follow, easy to make. I want it to be fun. Yes, fun. And yeah. So this number on this yarn is 50845, which I did show in the video yesterday. And it, you know, if you punch that into ice yarns, then it takes you right to this color. They did have some still left in this color. They have a lot of colors, but they say out of stock, out of stock. But you can get notified through email when they have them back in stock. So that's really nice. Okay, so I think that's it. I just wanted to show you, you know, what I'm working on a couple of other things too. I'm not going to put them in this video, but I am designing a raglan style cardigan, and I'm getting there. I'm getting there with that one. So I'm also, you know, kind of designing a baby blanket, and what's the other thing? I was working on something else. I can't remember at this point. Oh my goodness. Anyway, so I just wanted to show you, like, this works up quickly with this chunky yarn. I only started it like late yesterday, late afternoon or early evening. I can't remember. Isn't that bad? All right, so I hope you all have a great day until I see you again. All right, thank you guys. Bye.